All right, let's do some text replacement, ladies and gentlemen. So that's how you do it. You go to your settings, and you go to General, and then the middle of the page, you see, scroll down until you see Keyboard. Click on the keyboard, and then text replacement. See that there? Hit that plus. And then we put in a phrase, the phrase being that thing that we're having to type all the time. It's a pain in the behind. So, for example, your email might be something that you're always having to type, kind of get sick of doing that, so you type in that phrase there, and then let's make that easier. So instead of typing jeff@live.com all the time, I'm just going to say, hey, I just want to type ZZ, and that'll give me that phrase or that email address in this case. So then you hit save, right? And then you can see it right there, and if you made a mistake, you can tap it, and you can change it, and go back. Or if you want to change the shortcut from ZZ to something else, you can do that as well. And then let's go show you how that works. Somebody says to me, hey, Jeff, can you send me your email address? Say, I sure can. Hit ZZ. There it is. See that? Tap it. It's good. Send it. I save time, don't I? All right, that's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. Peace out.